How much realistic drawing can I complete in 5 hours? Stay tuned and find out. Hey everybody, a little something different this week. I'm taking care of a couple of little furballs, so I don't have all of my drawing tools. So instead of one of my normal, dare I say, riveting drawing tutorials, I'm continuing on with this realistic drawing of Mount Rainier that I've had on the back burner for a while, and I wanted to show you how much realistic drawing I actually finish in a 5-hour span. Now, the main reason I want to show you how much drawing I can get done in 5 hours is because I want you to actually see how little I get done. I'm not rushing or pushing myself to finish a large chunk of this drawing. I'm only finishing the amount of drawing that allows me to achieve the highest level of detail that I'm going for here. Realistic drawing is a less is more situation. You want to focus on quality over quantity. To draw a forest at this scale and layer your values to build all this texture, it's super time consuming, and you have to be patient and make sure not to rush it just to finish. If you want a step-by-step walkthrough of how I'm drawing the forest here, check out my tutorial, How to Draw a Forest, linked down in the description. And so after 5 hours, this is how much I was able to finish. Really, not very much. But more importantly, I'm happy with the quality of all of my drawing here. And on another note, if you're a nature lover like me, which you probably are if you're watching videos on how to draw landscapes, check out the view I had with the cats this weekend. That's Mount Rainier out in the distance there. Not too shabby. See you next time.